let's do this. Just gotta get stuff done. Eh? No, no, no! Ah! Wait, wrong one. Get this. Window capture. Is it this one? Yes, it is. There we go. Alright, let's get some stuff done. Hi, Fox. I don't know. Just hoping I can have a productive day today. Hi, Bridge. Is the music too loud? It's loud on my end, but that's because it's different on my end. I think I've had the music slightly too loud recently. Next week will be tough in the Hololive community? Yeah. Yeah. That's alright. Bit loud? Okay, that's good to know. Bit louder than usual. Tone it down again. There we go. It's probably good enough. There we go. Yeah, I've noticed my views have been down recently. And at first I thought like, oh, that's just YouTube, whatever, right? Variance happens, that's okay. Just focus on myself. What did you miss? Not a lot. Not a lot as of recent. But yeah. Then I thought about it more and I was like, why are my views down? And I think it's 90% because I stopped titling my videos Speedrunning YouTube or Speedrunning Game Design. I think the kids really like speedrunning, even though they clearly don't know what it is. Why are the blocks falling slow? They start falling slow at first, then they drop actually, like that. Yeah, I think every stream has speedrunning blank in it right now. And I was wondering why. Because I thought like, oh, it adds stakes, it's all that. No, the kids just really like speedrunning. They think speedrunning is so cool, they don't know what it is. But they don't know what it is. They do! They actually do! It's crazy! The keyword speedrun? Are they searching that? They might. They might be searching that. I don't know. Because I assume a keyword does well when people are actually searching for the keyword. I think that's how that works. I don't know. If I had to guess. But yeah, anyways, I'll be speedrunning every game I play, despite not speedrunning it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. don't worry about it. Just don't question it, okay? Back more shorts with the keyword speedrun? Probably, because like they do well and then like they start doing well because they do well. Something like that. It's hard to say, but I think it's interesting. No, go back. Loop. Thank you. Longer than a speedrun? Yeah, because like the reason I stopped speedrunning this game was because like I wasn't actually working on the game fast because I had the artist and I got bottlenecked by the artist. So I was like, the premise doesn't make sense anymore. Then I realized the premise doesn't have to make sense. It's okay. It's a dumb stream. Speedrunning life? Honestly, I think that would work. Like I think that could work. The kids yearn to speedrun. I have no idea why. Yeah, I don't know. I think the YouTube short streaming metagame is fascinating because I think on other platforms there's like a good ratio of slop to non-slop and you can see non-slop succeed. But on short streaming, it's like 95% slop that does well. So I do want to like see if I can game the system and figure out what makes it tick, you know? It's really interesting to me. I have a lot of fun doing it. They speedrun because dopamine intake is higher? I mean, speedrunning is fun. Speedrunning do be fun. Speedrunning life. Speedrunning YouTube. I think the one person who speedrun YouTube was Tripperaney. Made like 300k subscribers in like 2 months. God damn. I wouldn't be doing YouTube. I wouldn't have done YouTube if it wasn't for him. Because I saw his channel going insane. I was like, wait a minute, I use Game Maker. I'm better than this guy at Game Maker. Why aren't I just doing what he's doing? And then I did. And I did well. Pull lunch? Yeah. I don't know. I think my current priority is just making good stuff. Pull luck? I don't know if how much of it is luck. I mean, I guess it is luck because you have to like, there's a lot of variance to it, but it is surprising how much agency you have over the variance, I guess, even though there's still a lot of it. Reminds me of TFT, where like, even though it is very high variance, there's just so much you can do. It's hard to like blame it, you know? Because all my videos that do poorly, I can attribute something that I messed up that I could have done better. And like the stats will just tell me like, hey, you messed up the intro, or you messed up blank. So, I don't know. TF2, TFT, my bad. I think I did say TF2. I might have. But yeah, like you just have so much agency over the variance. And like the algorithm, like, cause like in TikTok, I think they want you to get addicted to posting, so they just don't tell you anything. And they want you to just feel like you're gambling. But on YouTube, they want you to get good at making videos, I think. So they tell you everything. They tell you like what stats they care about. And which stats are doing well on your platform or your videos, which I think is interesting. 500? Man, that's crazy. I feel like everyone has so many hours in TF2. Game's sick. The thing that interests me about TF2 the most though is what is it? The main game mode that people play, like a high tower, where you just like grind infinitely and you just like you play for yourself. I'd be interested in like a game designed around that structure, you know? Because I think it is fun to like not have a game mode that's like serious, to have low agency, to just like play for fun in the sandbox environment. It's clear people like that, and like I want that, you know what I mean? Like I want that in a more designed experience that isn't just like high tower, I guess. But actually, the more I think about it, is that just BR? Is that just what BR is? That's high-key just what BR is, when I think about it. That's kind of just what Battle Royale is. Also, I messed up. Oh no. That's okay. That is kind of just what Battle Royale is, actually. To some extent. Because you have less agency, because there's more variance. Maybe that's why BR does so well. Hard to say. Man. But yeah, today I think my main goal is I just want to like do all the busy work with this game. I need to make the menu, I need to make, what's it called? Controller support? Menu, video stuff, what's it called stuff? What's the other stuff I need? Volume stuff for sounds, I guess? I don't know. Wasn't that last stream? Yes, but then I got distracted. Then I got distracted and I made something else. That's okay. That's okay. Yes. That's okay. It happens. Where'd the music go? No, I grabbed the wrong one. I think, what else does this game need? I think the game is done. If the game needs anything, it's probably new combo system, and then like what? New game modes, I think. I think the base game mode is like, I'm just happy with it. I kind of don't want to change it. Oh, the difficulty thing. Oh yeah, it ramps up too poorly. New characters? Yeah. The problem with new characters is that it takes a lot of art. Should I care about that? Should I just make it anyways? I don't know. Hard to say. I probably should just make things. I'm always worried about art. I'm always worried about art. the gambling game is gonna be on pause for a bit because I'm trying to work out some stuff for that. I know a guy. I know a guy for that. So I'm hoping I can figure that out. I'm really excited for the gambling thing. I'm writing a YouTube video for it. I'm pretty happy with the script so far. No gambling? No gambling. Not today. Yeah. Kids do love to gamble. It is weird how popular gambling stuff is. You like to gamble because you win? That's great. I'm happy the kids. Yes, there's a high score system. It was easier than I thought. I thought it'd be really annoying. It was slightly annoying, but it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. High score system, it works. It's beautiful. It's my baby. Menu system. I'm gonna reuse the system from Polywog because I really like that system. I love the Polywog menu system. It's so good. This game should have John Pork. John Pork? I never knew where John Pork was from, to be honest. Like, I know it's just like a funny image, but part of me is like, what's the funny image from, though? You know what I mean? What are the origins of the funny image? That's what you tried to tell you? Yeah, I know. It's high scores and stuff. Whatever, man. Yeah, I don't know what the Polywog menu version is like. Menus like Polywog. I have a new menu system for the new game, and it's refined. It's beautiful. I'm gonna reuse it in every game I make. It's so good. Oh, I love it. I love my menu system. It's so good. It's such a good menu system, man. Refined. I shouldn't say refined. Nothing I make is clean, but you know what I mean though. I'm happy with it, okay? I'm happy with my damn system. I think it's well made, it's intuitive, it's easy to use, and it makes me happy, okay? Yeah, nothing I make is clean though. Kind of look like Wario Wood. I've never played Wario's Wood. I kind of just like thought of a game in my head and I was like, yeah, that'd be fun. But I should study Wario's Wood because it's so similar to my game. So it's definitely worth studying to like figure out what that game does that could be interesting for this one. I do. Show Polywog menu? I will after I die because I want to beat my high score. I want to beat my high score. Addicted to playing my own game. Oh no. No! I messed up. I had no time. I need to look at the thing I added, the preview, so I know what's next, so I can plan for it more. Oh no, it's over. That was so bad. That was so bad. Oh well. I want to kinda. It's kind of dumber than that. It's just like an organization system that sets everything up in a way I like. It's mostly just like an organization system, I guess. How does it work exactly? You can make menu front that P pauses. Yeah. I'm so happy because before I couldn't read chat while playing the game, but I can now. I've gained superpowers. I'm a mutant. If it has a system, it's good enough. Yeah. I'm happy with it because I feel like every menu system I've used that like other people have made are kind of jank. They're kind of weird. They're not intuitive to me. But I'm so happy with this system, man. I think it's easy. You could show us the Polywog menu by pausing. The pause doesn't work. Like in Polywog, I still have like a jank pause that it freezes the game, but there's no menus, which I need to work. No, there is. There's like one button in the middle, and the one button like takes you back to the main menu, and that's it. I need to make a proper menu system, but I will do that later. Bruh. What do I do? Why'd I throw it there? Ah! It's fine. It's like this, I think? Wait, that was purple? Am I colorblind? Dude, I'm colorblind. I'm colorblind. What do you mean that was purple? Oh, no. Oh, I think the run's over because of that. Whoops. You go down when you rush back up, you limit airplay. Starting at the bottom. The game controls some of the heavenly bodies of Subnautica. That'd be interesting. Based on what I'm reading so far. Dude, I swear that was purple. I think I am dude, am I going colorblind? What happened? I do want them to be shaped differently in the future. But I'll talk to Under for that. Under the TV. That guy's cool. He's in Japan. Am I dead? I think I'm dead. Oopsies. Oh well. Oh well. Purple should be red to push it pinker. Spoil the dark sea. If I can't choose starting at the bottom, moving up, starting at the top, moving down. Chair for your game? I'd say start at the bottom. That's what my gut says. I don't know why. It's just Tetris. Problem, if I say falling block game, everyone would look at me and be like, what the heck is a falling block game? But I say Tetris, everyone's like, oh, I know Tetris. Everyone knows Tetris. Tetris from video games. Yes, Tetris. Aha. That's my favorite game. I don't know. Polywog. Alright, let's get my menu system. I love my menu system. I made a video about my menu system, and it was the worst video I've made, I think. The performance was awful. Everyone, because the entire video I'm showing code, and people hate that. And that video was all code. Me playtesting, and without even hearing about the streams, I thought Tetris. You like menus? Not the average short audience, sadly. You are the exception. I'm just so happy with the system though. Where is it? I go to rooms, level base, menu. Where's my menu? Menu, please. Menu. But yeah, you make the little penguin object, and then the penguin has everything in the create event. Less than pi. Hello. Look at this. Look at my beautiful penny system. So now I can just do it here, and it works. Everything's simple, and I can change it all here, and like they're all game maker objects, so they're really easy to work with. It's beautiful. And if I ever need more features, I can just put it in here. It's like whatever. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. It's simple. I love it. I love my menu system. I want to sell it for like $1. Who made Tetris 2 the same second that made Polywog? Wait, what? After you opened the Game Maker project, it said in that the fact the person who made Tetris 2 was the same second that made Polywog? I did make Polywog. I do make Polywog. I don't know. Same person. Oh. Yeah, I made Polywog. I don't. It's just art-wise. I don't want to show you guys too much. Yeah, I don't really want you guys to show you guys Polywog stuff because like it's a spoiler. People have been waiting so long for the game. You guys can look at the code though. My code is bad, so it's not worth stealing. So, not the menu thing though. The menu thing is beautiful. It's mine. I do want to sell it. I actually want to sell it. I think because I've bought most menu systems. Yeah, there is a Tetris too. I've bought a lot of menu systems for Game Maker because I was like, screwed, I'll pay money for this. And I don't like any of them. I think they're all weird. I mean, I don't think they're bad objectively. They're just too complex for me, for what I want. Men. Create. Groove. Where's object? What are you called? This is better than whatever that could be. Yeah, didn't Tetris 2 suck? I remember seeing like the donkey video on it. OBJ menu. Create. Clean up. Step event, hurry up, step, there we go. Step event. What? Here we go. Draw. This is code I stole from someone. Draw. Do I still need this? I don't think I do, right? Yeah, I don't need to, but I'll put it on anyways. Global left release. Global left released. There we go. Press Q, it does nothing. User event 0. No. Other user event 0. Nice. There we go. Blatro. Touches a bunch of stupid multipliers, flashy effects. Blatro. Gambling. Dude, yeah. Okay, after that, Pullywug, menu button. No. Create. Step. Nice. Okay, there we go. Now, what do I do for now? Is that it? I think that's it. Oh, I want to import the penguin I have. I love the penguin. I have a stock penguin sprite, which I use in the game. I want to keep that. Where's the stock penguin sprite? It's very important to me. It is very important to me I keep this sprite. Nice. Can I copy paste it like this? Sprites. Create sprite. I'm not labeling my sprites. You can't make me. Yippee! Is our same resistance to phone body? They're loud as fuck. Dang. Are about the same res as my phone. Oh no. That's crazy. Dude, I don't know why my keyboard is so loud. I mean, I know why. It's because I have the switches, but I really want to get quieter switches. I think my keyboard is so loud. Then from there, I think I'm good. Now I just need a new sprite. This one. Menu button. What sprite will the menu button have? Let's go yellow bomb. Why not? Create room. OBJ menu. Room 2. Let me rename you. Rename. r_menu. Probably help with your keyboard sounds, but the issue is that my sounds are like just as loud as the keyboard sounds. So it keeps procking my, I don't know. I'll figure it out. I think that's the play, something like that. Viewports U. Width. There we go. Heights. There we go. Visible. Enable viewports. There we go. Do I want screen shake? I'll probably need screen shake. I'll probably need screen shake in the menus. I don't know why. The one I use in Discord is free and comes with a suite of other tools? Sure. That'd be nice. I appreciate that. 900. Expresses again, type videos and only let that through. Okay, so then we get the menu in. That. And then we do in the create event. Now I have to copy and paste all of this. Where am I? Bullywog, yes. Object. No, room. Menu. Nice, there we go. Grab all this. Wait, do I have a do nothing script in this game? Oh, I do, thank God. Discord's crisp expression, very good. Standload for crisp you can get. Ooh, I'll look into that. I'll look into that. New game, load game. Oh God, I don't want to deal with these. Dude, I hate, this is what I hate about Game Maker. I have like the docs, right? And I feel like the point of the docs is that you can zoom in on them, right? I try to zoom in on the doc and then it shrinks. Why does it shrink? The entire point of this system is that I can zoom in on the doc and I can like look at it closer, you know? Like, bro, why does it change size? It just like, I keep trying to zoom in on the dock and then it just runs away from me. Bro, let me zoom in. Oh my God, Game Maker, why Game Maker? Why are you like this? It's okay. Alright, I don't need menu group 5. Back, sends you back to, this is, where is this? Full screen toggle, I'll need that. I'll need audio stuff. Video rebind, let's get rid of you for now. 3, 4, 1. 1 goes here. Settings goes to 2. Code your own IM engine. Simple. I don't hate myself. I could never. Control plus might work? Let me try. No, it doesn't work. It just like, bro, let me zoom in more. I want to zoom in more. What the heck? That's okay. Okay, now I need a space for all the menu stuff. Where are they? I don't know. Let's get you for now. Where's all the menu stuff? I need a script thing for it. Scripts. Create script. Menu stuff. Function. Now all the script stuff can be put in functions, so I have them all here, you know. Nice and simple. That's how I like it. Can you not look up the keyboard shortcuts? I don't know how, and I'm too lazy. I am too lazy to look up how. I probably could. But like, I feel like doing that is a sign of weakness. I think a true man would simply guess, and if they guess wrong, they would blame the system. That is how I... Full screen. There's a dog outside. My neighbors have a dog that they keep outside, and they kind of just let it bark all day. It's been years. Press every button at once. It might work. Maybe. Screen size. How does the screen size function input? I think it just like flips between the sizes. It's very stupid, but I don't care. There we go. This is that. They probably also closed their application. Yeah, probably would. Alright, now I just gotta go into Polywog, get all of the function stuff. So, new game would be room underscore go to 2, and then you just go to the room 1. I haven't labeled it, I don't care. There's gonna be like 3 rooms in this game anyways. And that should be it, right? I think that's it. Yeah, just go to the room, and then I'll make a function for it in the, whatever. Yeah, it does. Do you want to see it? I can't show it because wait, let me. I have to unfill screen fully log. Give me a sec. Windows, graphics, start full screen. No. It has a menu. It needs art, but outside of that, it has like Polywog has all the stupid features you need in a game. Like it has a menu. It has saving and loading. It has audio stuff. It has video stuff. Rebinding stuff. Like it's ugly, but it works. I just need art to make it work. You better give it 5. You have to go, chair? Alright, bye chair. Have a good day. Better give it a 5 out of 5. Does it have gambling? No, it does not. Polywog has no gambling. I'm sorry. You go to room 1. What else you have to do? You have to reset the score. I'll do it later. Just want to make sure it works. Why am I doing it later? Whatever. Does that work? Oh wait, no, it doesn't go to the right room. Give me a sec. What's the next hat idea? No idea. Next hat idea. Oh wait, I'm gonna do heavier hat because everyone asked for a heavier hat in the heavy hat video. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I don't know. I think the hat ideas. I'm gonna pull up the Instagram thing. Okay, let's go through the hat ideas. Oh, I'm sorry if you're a child watching this that likes Polywog hat ideas. But if I go to Instagram and I go to the first hat idea video, here's the reason why I have not done hat ideas. It's because if you go to the first hat idea video, where is it? I'll know by how many comments it has. Oh, 2,000 comments. Let's go through all the comments. Hat that makes the game have an insane amount of screen shake. That's okay. Hat with gun pointed towards the pair. Where? No, can't do that. Weight hat, only 1 jump. Hat that makes you go blind. Hat that makes you alt F4. Hat that just blocks goo that makes the game run at 10 frames per second? Maybe. Bandage wraparound, make his tongue flaccid and floppy. Leech hat? That could work. Reverse controls. Instant death hat. If you move, you explode. I don't like most of these ideas. they're not that bad. Okay, you know what? They're not that bad. I wouldn't add the overwhelming majority of these hats is the issue. And I also can't come up with good hat ideas myself, so I'm kind of just like done with hat ideas. Yeah, I'm kind of just done. I don't know. I do like the heavy hat thing. That bit is funny. That makes me happy. But yeah, I don't know. I think it's fine. It's fine. Okay, audio. What do I have to do? Oh yeah, work. Polywog stuff. Menu, add button group. Oopsies, forgot to do this. What the frick? Add this, add menu button. And this should be it now. It should work. Let's see. Yeah, it's really good. It's really good. Settings, back, new game. Okay, it works. Start game. It's really good. It's just that, like, if I'm gonna make something, I kind of want to have fun doing it, I guess. If I'm not having fun doing it, what's the point? At that point, I might as well get a job. I mean, I'm trying to get a job and I can't because the job market is miserable. Dude, I got a job I didn't get a job application. I got an interview soon. I'm so happy. Make this your job? Dude, I am trying. I am trying my best. Hey, I need to get monetized first. And I think like my only route is to, I thought, okay, so my entire time on YouTube, I've been trying to like game the system and like, that, you know what I mean, right? Like game the system, find out the secret way to game the algorithm. Honestly, it always goes back to like, just make good stuff. Like my best videos are the ones that I think are entertaining and are good. I think when I make stuff that's entertaining, it does better. I think that's just how it is, you know? Just make good stuff. That's all you gotta do. I think there's only so much you can game this. There's only so much you can game the system before it's like... I think YouTube is smart and they know it's possible to game the system. And in general, those things don't do that well. I don't know. Actually, okay, maybe the subscriber to pixel thing was crazy. That was crazy. Okay, but even though it was good, the pixel to subscriber thing, like, I don't know. It was good. It was good. No, that was me gaming the system. That was the one way to game the system is say you'll do something per subscriber. That works. That works well. I like that. But even then, like, I say that in like a derogatory way, like, oh, it wasn't actual entertainment. It was entertaining though. Like, it is entertaining to see a guy and like the stakes, you know? That is cool. Hats is how you game the system? I don't know. I don't know anymore. I don't know anymore. I feel like those work when the hats look fun. And I think in the current state, I just can't make hats that are fun because I don't want to make hats. Also, I think the hat ideas people make are miserable. They're so bad. They're really bad. They're really bad. I don't like them. I don't like any of the hat ideas, man. Free comments. You do get a lot of comments though, which is nice. Okay, so this is like... I think you gotta add the Ludwig. I know what you mean. I kind of don't want to though. I think it's a little... maybe. I do like puns. I do like puns though. But I think my theory for video, make a heavy hat just like 1 billion pounds. You can never leave. Oh, that would be a good bit. I think a lot of the reasons I'm less motivated to make hats is that it's very art heavy. And all of the 2 artists I have are both busy making the game. And I kind of just want to release the game at this point. Like, I don't want to give them more stuff to make. I just want them to finish the game. Ugh. Lots of weird... I don't know. Polywog's in a weird state right now. Just waiting for art. So much art to wait for. But yeah, I think... I don't know. Or just like any mask, you can't use the tongue. I already have that with the astronaut helmet. I think the astronaut helmet is the funniest version of that gag, where it's see-through, so you can't tongue because the glass is in the way. I blame you for this curse. Did you get into game dev? What happened? What did I do? What did I do? Oh my god, what did I do to you? What do you mean curse? Damn. Go to channel. Taco Square Dev. How's it going? Oh, boy, I remember you. You were there in the gambling stream. You were gambling. You were addicted. Where's my gambling at? The Poisson Steve. Oh, that curse. Yeah, that was on purpose though, so it doesn't count. It's stuck in my head. It's a good song. Okay, but like it's good though, so I think it's fine because it's good. Where's the gambling at? I'm working on getting some art for that, and then I'll do a stream on it later. But for now, I'm kind of just doing other stuff. Yeah, Poisson Steve. It's a good song. It's a good song. Steve Le. Le Poisson Steve. Poisson Steve. Il est orange. You're gonna walk with your puppies? All right, have a good day, man. Have a good day, man. But yeah, I think my current theory is I think series that game the system and get free engagement, those kind of stuff, a part of me thinks I think the main reason they do well isn't because they game the algorithm by making it think it's better than they are. I think they're just good entertainment. Like, I genuinely think those videos are just fun to watch and people like that kind of stuff, you know? And like the reason the videos do well is because people are just liking the video, less so because they're gaming the algorithm. That is more a theory though. I don't know if it's true or not. You're gaming the people? Yeah, but like when I see a something to subscriber thing, that's interesting to me. I want to watch that. And I think that is the reason they do well, instead of like YouTube sees the subscribers gained and they're like, I must promote this video. I think like people just like the concept and it's entertaining. Cause I like I'm biased because I like it. But I think that's telling, you know? The game theory, I do genuinely believe it though. I genuinely believe those videos do well because they're entertaining, not so much because they're gaming the algorithm. I do miss, and that's one of the reasons why I stopped doing Pixels as a subscriber, because the videos were doing worse and worse. And I think the videos were doing worse and worse because I didn't have my heart in it, you know? I wasn't making good content. And like, to me, if I'm not making stuff that's good, what's the point of even doing this? Like, I want to make good stuff that people like watching. Yeah. I guess. Oh, but it was fun though. Like, I feel like when Pixel subscribed, when I had few subscribers, it was fun. Because I had to work within limitations and all. But then I got a lot of subscribers and I was like, dang, it's kind of mid now. Because like it's clear that like I'm not an. I think the reason the series didn't work is I'm not an artist anymore. So I just couldn't motivate myself to draw. So I just didn't. So I just did it. Here. Thanks for playing. No worries, no worries. I appreciate that. No worries. Oh, I'm dead. Whoopsies. But then you get the 3-second buffer. Aha! Does the 3-second buffer work? Let's double check. 1, 2, 3. Now. Okay, that works. Alright, the menu works. Menu works. Menu works. Start, new game. Like presenters, start, settings, audio stuff, video stuff. Nice. Why did it crash? It crashed because the blocks went out of range for the array, and you can't do that. I've been meaning to fix that. I don't know how though. I don't know how. The game always crashes when you break a block that's outside of the grid, and you can just, the grid doesn't go all the way up. I could do that. I honestly could do that. There's a lot of ways to fixing it. I don't know what the best one is. I kind of don't want to check. I kind of don't. What is the best way of fixing it? Oh shoot, I think you're right. Wait, maybe I do need to make the grid higher. Huh. Make it so that the blocks cannot be outside of the grid? No, I think the blocks should be able to go outside the grid now I think about it. Because during the 3-second grace period, you should be allowed to make blocks higher than just +1 on the thing. You should be able to blow them up. So I do have to, oh crap. Dude, this is gonna be so annoying to program. Oh, dude. I gotta though, I gotta. All right, let's work on that right now. So, it's not essential, it's so niche, but I know I need it. I don't want to change it. So grid height is currently 11. If I increase it, if I change it to 5, how does that work? I don't know. Yeah, it starts up there now, and then you go up 1. So I have to make the grid start like probably 4 tiles higher, something like that. I don't know. 2, 1, now. Nice. Nice. Why is it shaking still? Why is it shaking? What determines the shake? It determines the shake if the step event, pause timer shake, user event 0 is when make a destroy, check a destroy, check a destroy. No, what? Add layer timer, timer shake timer. What? Wait, how do I check if blocks get destroyed again? I don't remember. I actually don't remember. How long do I usually stream for? Like 2 hours. Usually I stream until I get tired and I go eat in my bed. I don't know. Throw power, grounded, roadrunner buffer, when direct. Where am I? Create. Grid height is dead. Pout timer, lost timer, shift, lost timer minus. Oh, it is in step. The eepy. I do be eeping sometimes. Okay, that fixed the shake thing. One word, frog. I do. Do you like the frog? Dude, it's made by Noshi. They're working on Poliwag. I commissioned this from them. Two, 3. What? What? With rounds from Mag early today. Dude, that's sick! Dude, that sounds cool! Oh, I have this backwards. You don't lose now. One, 2, 3. Nice! Now you lose. That's correct. Okay, how do I make the block spawn lower? Create. Make row. Okay, yeah, I got it now. So grid height is 11. So it should be minus grid space times 1 x j minus 1, I think. Is that how this works? I think that's it. You're gonna add POW blocks that were more powerful? I was, and I'll probably do it later, but it's not essential is the thing. That didn't work? What? 11, right? What if I do like minus 5? Change the song. What's on to-do list? I haven't updated the to-do list. Let me see. I think I have everything in here. What? What does this number do? What the heck? What the heck? What's the goal of it? It's a Tetris falling block game. It's a fan game for a VTuber I like. What did I do? What did I do? I mean, I know what I did, but okay. Cool, thanks. Lock in. I'm gonna go have fun. All right, have fun with Blender, man. Have a good day. Make row. I think you have to make a row at 2 grid height -1. Now it's grid height -2, I think? What did I do? What did I do? I think this works now. Okay, this works now. This works. Now everything's aligned. So I have to minus both by 1. Okay, that's good to know. And now, so long as I keep this in check, I believe this lets me add another row. So I go to 12. Everything should work now. Let me see. Aha! And everything works perfectly. Nice. And I believe you only lose the game 1 tile later now. Let me check. Go up. You don't lose here. Now this is the warning. It's been 3 seconds. You didn't lose yet. 2, 3. Now it's a warning. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay, yeah. Probably instantly pin Discord link. I probably should. The only computer I have was made in 2004. Oh my god. It could probably still run program, but what am I saying? You could probably run Polywog. But that's crazy. 2004? Is that when Windows Vista was the thing? When is the Bimbo's Vista? Bimbo's Vista? Bimbo's Vista? Nice. Okay. Everything seems to work now. Nice. Are you gonna pin Discord link? I probably should. I'm lazy though. I'm lazy though is the issue. I probably should though. Am I going to? Probably not. There's a Discord? Yeah, I'll get to. Let me do it right now. Alright. Disable streamer mode. Polywog. Invite people. Link. Here you go. Pin. How do I pin it? Pin. Hit and use copy button. Oh my god. Chance? Put it in description. I don't know if can people even read the descriptions? This short stream. I probably should. Did it say that not 0? Oh my god, this guy. Hidden use copy button. I didn't know about streamer mode, man. What even is streamer mode? It's out of the way, top right under the dot. Oh, I can edit it from there? Really? Timestamp? No, thank you. Moderation activity will be shown. Participants? Send feedback? I don't know. Oh. Yeah. What's the technically being said? I don't know. What am I doing? Oh yes, let's get the work done. Let's get work done. Let's get work done. Okay, so yeah, gotta add more layers. Let's do that right now. So it's normally 11. Let's add like what plus 1. Let's do plus like 6 actually. So let's do 15 layers. 15 layers. You have to get up 15 in order to break the game. That's okay. So it's plus 12, 13, 14, 15, plus 4. So you're gonna be minus 4, and then up here, check destroy. No, it's make row. You're gonna be minus 5 now. This should still work. Now the game is gonna be a lot taller. Yeah, so you lose up here now, which makes sense. Where am I? You lose up here now. What do I like to eat? What do I like to eat? I don't know. I like rice. I'm Asian. I eat rice a lot. Okay, so the grid works. Let's make it so you lose that different timing. Lost timer minus. Do loss. Y equals 0. No, it should be 0 plus 4, I think. Has to be 4. Y less than 5, I think, is correct. Let's see. Chicken and rice dinner? Dude, rice is so good. I love rice. Huh. 6 to 10. Why less than 10? Why doesn't this work? Why doesn't this work? What am I doing? What am I doing? What? What am I doing? What? No. Just do last equals 1. Why did I do this twice? Dude, I'm so dumb. Works. Okay, good. But instead of plus 10, where are you? It should be, instead of 10, it should be like, what? What was it supposed to be? Like 4 or 5, I think? Let's try 5. Let's see how this works. No, not this. It should be 6? I don't know if the lost state should even be this high, honestly. I kind of like the appeal of it though, like you have so little space to work with. It's kind of exciting, you know? I don't know if digging should be in the game, but it's so cool. Okay. Yeah, this is working now. What now? I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, that's done. Next thing, let's get all the menu stuff done. Let's go to room, menu. Let's go to audio stuff. Let's just copy and paste it from Polywalk. It should be the same. Audio 01. Music master. I need to make OBJ music master. I need to make that. Create object. The master of music. Asset, music master. Where is it? Where did I put it? Bruh. This stuff is boring. Oh my god. This stuff is so boring, but you gotta do it. I've been dragging my feet. Don't need this. Step. I'll probably just leave all this stuff in here. Step. Don't make fun of this code. Room starts. Room. Where's my rooms? Where does room start? Am I dumb? Audio recording, missing social, gesture key up. It's an other, right? View, intersect boundary, rooms. Oh, room start right there. Duh. There we go. Need this later. That's whatever. Let's go back to menu. Audio 2 is this one. So let's go to menu. Audio. There we go. Mute. Gonna need that. Full screen. Size. Board. There we go. What the heck? Equals 1. What the heck? Why is there no... What the heck? Why did I design it like this? What is wrong with me? I need another else if. Like that? There we go. It's 2, you're 3, no. Pasta, don't probably love pasta. Ooh. A 7 for pasta? That's interesting. I think pasta should be higher, dude. Pasta good. I guess, no, I mean, okay, I guess for pasta, you could put anything in the pasta. So it's more about, I guess, like, that's so hard to assess because you have every pasta dish in existence to think about, right? Huh. So it depends on the dish. Government second grade, about half of these. Ooh. That's cool. Let's go, what's the base resolution of the game? Viewports, U. Nice. Height. Nice. Let's see if this works. Unexpected error? Oh, Oh, it's man. Great. Let's see if this works. Please work. I'm sorry. I wasn't looking at all the messages. Hey, top under, telling me pin Discord link. I think I read all of them. You just score. Good choice. Oh, wait. Oh, that's what you meant. Oh, dude, I'm stupid. You're right. Oh my god. Wait, I completely misread the conversation. I'm so sorry. I heard pastas. I saw 1 out of 10, a 7 out of 10. I was like, pasta's 7? That's crazy, bro. All right, full screen toggle. I mean, it's full screen, but it's not. Did it crash? What the heck? What did I do? I was so confused. Like, you put pasta on a 7? Crazy, dude. I didn't know you're talking about your mental diagnosis. It's my bad. My bad. Windows get full screen. Windows set full screen. Windows set size. What? What? Why is it setting the size? Onwards. Come on. Full screen. Video. Full screen. Huh. Why does the game die? Why can't I do anything? Bruh. Why does this brick the game? What? Okay, what about the other ones? Let's see if the other ones work. Okay, settings, video, change resolution. Globe left release OBJ menu. Oh, does manager? Oh, manager doesn't exist. That's why. Whoopsies, persistent. Go to menu, get in there, manager. So in room 1, we have to take out the manager. Goodbye. In menu, we put back the manager. Where's the manager? Get in there. Hey, that's okay. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, this doesn't make any sense. Oh no. Wait, the manager should not exist in a room without the other games. Yeah. No, you're right. You're completely right. This is my bad. Okay, yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Put this back. Manager, get back, man. Why doesn't it let me put it down? There we go. Put it in here. Put it back on the top. Okay, you know what? You're gonna use the menu object. The menu object is gonna have size var. Yeah, the menu object's gonna do that now. Let's have the menu object handle that. Yeah. Okay, where am I? Yeah, I have to go to this code now. Window size. No, it's menu now. Menu. There we go. Oh, this is annoying. I should have just done this in the manager. That's okay. We all make mistakes. Also, the default size of the game should be this. Like 2 other people are just spying on combos, no words. Is there 4? There's like 5 people in here. Yeah, what the heck? What did I do? What did I do? What? What happened? Why is it outside of the game? Huh. What did I do? What did I do? What? Oh, the manager isn't there. Oh, shit. Oh, no. Oh, I remember now. No, 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 no. This is so annoying. Oh, this is so annoying. The manager was here. Oh, God. I have to find where the manager is because the position of the manager object matters in this game. I forgot. Why did I do it like that? Is the manager here? Please tell me it's easy. It just goes there. It's close. I'm getting closer. Yeah. Okay. Note to self. Don't program like this. That was so bad. Why did I program the game like this? I have to guess and check where the manager used to be. Why did I use the manager's position? Why? What was I thinking? That's so dumb now I think about it. Okay, there we go. We're getting closer, we're getting closer. I think it goes there, maybe? Maybe it goes here? Kabibu is giant, she's covering everything. Oh, we're getting closer, we're getting closer. Like this, maybe? Please? Please work? Oh yeah, that's it horizontally. Vertically though, it needs like here? Why was it here? Why did I put it there? I don't know. Hi Elijah. I don't know why I did. But whatever system I came up with, is bad. It's like 1 pixel too high now. Why did I do this? Dude, I don't know either, dude. That's the thing. I don't know why I came up with the system. But yeah, the system sucks. There's 1 bread in the game. Are you serious? I'm making Tetris, dude. I'm making a falling block game. It's a VTuber fan game. I like VTubers. Yeah, that's basically it. Nothing too crazy. Game's close to done. Game's close to done. Just gotta do all the busy stuff. The annoying busy work no one likes doing. Everyone hates doing. Everyone. But you gotta do it. You gotta do it. Background? Nope. Making a background? I am not making a background for this. I have an artist, and they're doing it, but it's taking time, and that's okay. That's okay. It's just taking some time. Yeah. Theme is very void gray. It's giving nihilism? Is it gonna be playable by us? I did a playtest recently. If you join the server, I have pinned. There's a link to the old version of the game. I'll probably do another playtest eventually. I'm not gonna say soon because I remember I said soon for the last one and it took like 3 weeks, I think, before I actually started playtesting. But I'll do it eventually. Today? No. I'm lazy. I don't want to do a playtest. I'll do it later. I'll do it later. Yes. Okay, the one thing though, no matter what, I can't do a playtest until I have a new difficulty system. Because that's the only thing, because like I can playtest if the game feels good, but I'm be real with you, I think the game feels good. I don't. I know it feels good. Is that cocky? Yes. But I know it feels good. Because all my games feel good. All my games feel good. I'm not worried about game feel. I'm mostly worried about The difficulty stuff. And I haven't added that yet. Need to work on that. Overlay kinda... Why is the overlay kinda weird? Is it? I think it is. Yeah, I think it... Oh, shoot! Oh, I have it off center. Whoops. That's what you mean, right? Use white grain, put this in Discord server. Here matter by default? Probably isn't nihilism, yeah. Why is it a vertical stream? I like streaming on vertical. It's fun. I have a lot of issues with the vertical system, but I like when random people kind of just stream into the stream. Most stream, like, cause in streaming, what's it called? You don't gain viewers. You only like make content for the people who already watch you. You don't find, no new people don't find the streams ever. But with vertical streams, like YouTube will recommend them to people. So it's just, it feels good, you know? It feels good to like look over, oh, it's a new person. Yippee, 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 new person. And I can talk to them, you know? I like it. Plus, I think the big issue with normal streaming is that you need an audience for it to even work. You're new, you know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? I gain viewers. I think if I did a normal stream, like the people would initially start watching it and that's it. And I would not gain new viewers ever. Short streams are easy too. Yeah, they're also easy. And like, I don't know, it feels good to see new people every once in a while. Like new people streaming and it's great. I like it. I like it here. It's a real nice format. I think it fixes a lot of the issues with streaming, because I think streaming is very rich get richer right now, where all the biggest streamers are just people who are big streamers. It is not based off who makes the best content. Streams overlay. Yes, overlay's hard. Recommend. Yeah. Baby language and baby streams. Yeah, that stuff sucks. There's a lot of schlop in the platform. But I'm gonna try to fix that. Levitating around? Just in the void. Bibu or me? I'm a frog. You get a bomb block, and the bomb block will... Are you serious? I need to fix that bug. You get a bomb block, and the bomb block blows up all the blocks that it touches that are the same color. So you gotta organize all the blocks by the time the bomb block spawns. So this one spawns, get all the greens. No, you use baby as you started since method stream is easier. It's baby stream? It's baby stream. Am I baby stream? I don't know. Oh, because I use Game Maker. I do use Game Maker. I guess, oh, because I use Game Maker, so I use baby stream. Oh my god, you're genius. I never even thought of that. The kids yearn to use Game Maker. Animations of the characters, don't worry, the artist is working on it. No worries, no worries. Give it time. Just takes time to do that kind of stuff, you know? Oh no! No, it's okay. Just takes time. Not much I can do about that, other than give the artist the time they need. I didn't even consider that. I'm using Game Maker. So obviously the kids will like Game Maker more because it is a baby language. You're genius. You're genius, Exo. We're better. I definitely would have made a decent roguelike or two already. Roguelikes are so hard to design. Roguelites are so hard. I don't know about that. I mean, you could program in Game Maker, even with a potato PC. It's possible. It's not gonna be fun, but I think you could pull it off. Game Maker games are very small. All my games, you can't make 3D though. You'd be stuck with no 3D, but that's like a very reasonable limitation, you know? Like most games don't incorporate 3D. So yeah, I think I'd give it a shot, man. Like go program, do it. Do it, coward. Do it. Bro sweaty at his own game? I do be sweating at my own game. I mean, I gotta be good at it so I can assess what's wrong with the game. Otherwise, how could I, you know? No, I missed it. I didn't catch it. I meant to catch it out of the air. That's okay. Called out. Bro is sweaty. No worries. I didn't mean it as a call out. More of just like a... I gotta be sweaty, dude. What if I wasn't sweaty? How would I know what's wrong with the game? How could I study it? Dung, 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 dung. Oh, the speedrunners are gonna outpace me. They always outpace. It doesn't matter how good I am at the game. The stupid speedrunners. I don't know how they do it. I don't know how they get so good so fast. It's ridiculous. Stupid speedrunners, man. These guys are insane. They're so insane. Like, I remember it took a day for them to find the warping glitch in Gura Quest. And it took like another day before it was in the speedrun. Oh my god. They must have a time machine? I think they're just cracked, dude. They're cracked. That's okay. Only reasonable explanation. Yeah. What am I doing? I was supposed to fix something. Oh yeah! I remember. Screen size stuff. Video, change resolution. Okay, this works. I'm big now. Change resolution, big. Normal sized. Small. Tiny. Let's play like this. Back, back, new game. Yippee! Make an image. He's cooking. Just people with a bunch of free time on their hands. Yeah. Tie a bag of brown sugar. Dude, brown sugar is better than normal sugar. I love brown sugar. It's so good. Oh my god. I own molasses now because I was like, because I heard that you can make brown sugar, right? I know. I can't get the audio. Earlier this stream, people told me about some like audio stuff I could do that I'm gonna try out, see if that works. But yeah, right now my typing is just as loud as my talking. So it's kind of impossible because the microphone is way closer to my mouth than it is to my keyboard. So there's not, I don't know how to figure it out. I'm not an audio guy. Okay, this works. Let's say full screen stuff. Settings, video, full screen. No, what? And then it bricks the game again. Come on, what's wrong? Why is it bricking the game? Does it brick the game in Polywog? Let me check. Polywog, new game. Is that how that works in Polywog? How does it work in Polywog? Settings, video, full screen. It works! What's different? Full screen toggle. Where is it? Full screen. I'm literally copy and pasting the code. It's the same thing. Bro. Maybe you have to show border? Yeah. Like this, maybe? You think? Maybe this is what I need. Let's see. He's allergic to... Hello. Caramel. Oh. Brown sugar. It's the better sugar. Check debug. Is that a syntax error? I don't think it is. It's not crashing. It's just kind of bricking. Settings, video, full screen. And, oh, okay, it's not bricked. No, it is bricked. It is bricked. Oh, you see it? See it? It's over here now. What? Why isn't it? Huh? It's not an infinite loop because I can still interact with it, but it's in the wrong place now. What? Why does pressing the full screen toggle move it? What the heck is it doing? Okay, let's flip these. Let's flip these. False. True. I don't know why I think this will work, but my gut tells me GRUE. What is going on? I think it's windowless and not full screen. Start. Settings. Video. Change resolution. Full screen toggle. No, that doesn't work. Okay, this does nothing, clearly. Borderless toggle works. I can add the border, take it out, now it's borderless, put it back. Eh? What does Windows Set Full Screen do? I have to download the manual? Bro. It's downloading the manual, are you serious? I don't know what it's doing. I mean, it's acting as if I'm only clicking Windows Set Borderless. Windows Set Full Screen. What do you do? What do you do? Format. You must have for Mac OS. I don't care about Mac OS. Does not work on HTML5. That's fine. After hello, full screen. Alarm otherwise do so after at least 10 steps of calling this info. What? Window. Wait, so it starts. Mine is false true. What is theirs? Theirs is false true. Let's take out equals 1. Screen size equal resolution? Something like that. Yeah, that's probably what I need. Alright, let's go. Settings. Video. Full screen? It's broken. It's broken. This is so cursed. You see it, right? Just hit F11. I want the button though. People like the button. It's the button, dude. Why is my full screen not working properly? I have no idea. Settings, video, full screen. Back. Should I put it here now? Maybe? Just set the size? I don't know. The button. Please work. Settings, video, full screen. What? What? Eh? What is happening? Why does this not work? It works in Polywog fine. What's the difference? I mean, I could check the settings. Let's go there. Installer, general. Allow full screen switching is on. Start full screen is not on. Synchronize to avoid tearing. I'll probably turn that on. Apply. Let's go to Polywog. What do they got? Windows. Everything. Okay, the sys. They're now the same. Let's see if this works. Full screen. What? I'll have to check on this later. Whatever. Okay, so that stuff is implemented. Now let's do controller support. Where's my controller stuff? Where's my controller stuff go? Polywog from what you copied? I did not. It's identical. But I'm guessing it's some kind of like setting I don't have on. I'll check it later. For now, let's just go back to controller stuff. Input, configuration, checking verbs. How do you configure, what? Checking verbs, is that? How you doing it? No. Setting verbs, right? Combos, other, gyro. What's it in mine? Inputs, and then it's configuration, right? Configure, inputs, icon, keyboard. No. Combos, verbs. Input, configure, verb, behavior, group? No? 2D checker for the verb function. I don't remember where it went. It's gone. Profile? No. Configure verbs. Ah, found it. There we go. Okay, so I got my verbs for the game. Now I need gamepad verbs. Here's my gamepad verbs from GameMaker, from Polywog. Okay, so we have gamepad. I think these are correct. So it is now this I need. So I need a menu verb. I'll do that later. I need a pause verb. Okay, up will be, what is it? Button GP face 2, I think. Input gamepad. I'll probably leave these here actually. There we go. Input binding. Let me just grab all of these real quick. And I believe they should just be the same thing, except without the pad, actually. Yeah, actually, without the pad. Never mind. Size of your screen. Could be an issue with the size of my screen. I don't know. I don't want to deal with it. I'll deal with it later. Just do. And some problems are too annoying. I just don't want to think about it. Still writing that high. Once you change the code from what you copied. It's plagiarism. Shuffle it in a row. Wait, what? Top of my deck, my teacher shuffled it. Wait, that's insane. What the hell? One more gambling stream? I want to. I'm waiting for some art right now. Waiting for some art. That's it. What does the true false do? Negative. I don't know. I'll check later. R. There we go. Let's see if this works. Xbox controller. Let's see if the game works with controller. Wasn't there more I had to do? Oh no, it just works. And this is jump. This feels good. Ugh. Two-stream thing. Yeah. I just wanted to look. It's gonna be small. Don't worry. I mean, that's what I say about all my games, but it's gonna be small. I'm still thinking about the whole guessing 7 cards in a row thing. What the hell? That's absurd. Isn't that like insane RNG? What is that? Isn't that like... God damn, wait, that's insane. You should make it so that the hard mode bombs won't explode until they're thrown by you. I kind of like the default drop though, because you shouldn't default drop most situations anyways. Oh, there's some tech where like if you roll it, you can do so many inputs. Yeah, if you roll the controls, ooh. Yeah, this game feels pretty awkward in controller, but it does work, which is all that really matters when you think about it. I mainly want these controls for like disability features, you know? In general, I'm kind of hoping people don't play like this, because this kind of feels weird. I mean, it works though, is the thing. Average indie dev, yeah. I have so many projects. I'm doing too many projects. I need to say no more. I mean, the game works. Sometimes you flick the controller and the block just goes in a random direction though. The game does work though. Okay, jumping needs to be on a trigger though. Jumping needs to be on a trigger, because yeah, I think you can set it in game, I think, but I don't know, maybe it's fine as is. It's probably fine as is. Yeah. Alright, now let's change the jump buttons to be the shoulder buttons. Configure verbs instead of face one. It's, how do you, gamepad input, shoulder L. Should it just be all of them? I think it should be all of them, dude. Shoulder L. Yeah, let's just make it all of them. Shoulder L, shoulder R. And let's get the bumpers too. Shoulder, bumper, shoulder R, shoulder L, B. No. B. Let's see if this works. When you get bored. What? You can only have 2 alternate bindings? Bruh. Are you serious? Oh, man. Should it be the bumpers? I'll just do bumpers. I like bumpers. I like bumpers. What do you mean you can only have 2 alternate bindings? Come on. Come on. What? LB, LB, whoopsies. Filter. R, and it should be RB, I think. No brown sugar. I love brown sugar. It's better sugar. There we go. This is hard. This is so hard. Yeah, this is really hard. I mean, I do think it's better to play like this than the other way, even though it's weird. I'm hoping people just don't play this game on controller. This kind of sucks, to be frank. But I don't see how I can fix it, is the issue. You need it for disability stuff, though, so it's whatever. Wait, really? Damn, that's crazy. I didn't know that. Set a game restart. You can't tell me what to do, game. Oh, you die too low now. Menu, player. Where's the die thing? It should be in man. Step event. Block 6. It should be 5, I think. Why didn't 5 work? Brown. New game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it's fine. No, it's fine. Why isn't it giving me warning now? What? Come on. What? But then I set it to 6, and now it's completely off. Do I have to set it to 5.5? What is going on? See? It's off. What if I set it to 5.5? No, let's make the blocks draw otherwise. Draw text. Draw otherwise. So, difficulty where speed and spawn rate is quadrupled and 15 on blocks or bombs. That'd be cool. Something that would be cool. I do like game modes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay, yeah, let's do the same thing but for 5. Menu. No, I should be a manager. Okay, set you 5. Why isn't this working? What? Less than 5. Okay, if it's less than 5, it should start the timer. That makes sense. Wait, 5 is correct. Am I just stupid? Am I just stupid? Now it should start. Oh, the warning is off. Wait, that's it. That the warning is off. Wait, what? Yeah. So the warning doesn't make any sense is the issue. Wait, what? Wait, what? Okay, ignore the warning, ignore the warning, ignore the warning. Just 4. I'd want the warning to start here. 1. That makes sense. Two, 3. Now. Nice. Okay. So this does work. I just need to make a new thing called do loss warn. I don't care. If y is less than 5, let's do 6. And then you do loss warning, and I have to make this a new variable. One more variable. Yippee. Do loss. Play lose mode. Goal to lose as fast as possible. That could be a speedrunning mode for speedrunners to do in the speedrun category. What am I doing? Do loss warn equals 1. There we go. Let's see if this works. So that was the issue. Nice. The warning's correct. Now I'm gonna lose. Now. Nice, nice. Okay, it works. Let's go to block. You don't have to draw yourself anymore. What was the thing I was doing again? I don't remember. Oh yeah, full screen stuff. Controller stuff. A lot of the busy work is done now, which is nice. It only took like an hour or so. Nothing changes, separate slider, like kind of. Yeah. You mean? I was thinking of the. You know how Shovel Knight 3DS has like the 3D stuff? I kind of want to Maybe, no. Shovel Knight on 3DS has like 3D stuff on it. But no, that's dumb. The 3D in the 3DS was such a gimmick, but like, there is a part of me deep down that yearns for the gimmick. I yearn for it. Bad 3D. That was a fun time when like everything was implementing that for some reason. Maybe I should get a 3DS. Just to experience because I skipped the 3DS. I never had one. So I've never experienced the 3D gimmick that it has. Highest score in 2 minutes? Oh yeah. Probably should need that. Probably will have that. Just a short time frame mode that's less endurance based. 3DS, but Matrix, but 3D. Just one line of colors. That'd be funny. I'd be down for that. I don't know if it'd be funny to play. I think it's a funny idea. I miss my Vita. PlayStation Vita? Is that the console that everyone memes on for saying that there's only JRPGs? That is, right? PS Vita. Random color. Oh my god. Oh god, that would be awful. It's kind of funny though. Oh, that is funny. And like, I'm guessing it like bombs break blocks within a range of colors. I don't know why I tripled either. It's kind of weird. I wonder what happened. Yeah. You can't grab the bomb block? That would be so hard, dude. That would be so hard. Skill-based gameplay mode. You can't grab any blocks. Is there a way to make that work? In that case, you would only be able to drop bombs. So you control a little guy at the top, and they drop the bombs? That'd be interesting. A fun way. That'd be interesting. That'd be fun. I have to try that out. Maybe game modes is the play, and I just have a bunch of weird modes. Push. Give blocks. Yeah, like normal Tetris game, or a falling block game rules, where you're not controlling a guy, you're controlling a thing that controls the blocks. That'd be interesting. Of all the meme modes, I think that one has a lot of potential. Heavy hat. Oh my god. Game of Tetris. Weekly game of Tetris. Then have real Tetris. Try to unpaid intern. No wall jumps mode. I don't know. Without wall jumps, you'd be forced to do the down throws. Because with down throws, you can like vault up anything. The problem is people just like don't use wall jumping. Or people just don't use it. And I like wall jumping as like a alternative. I like wall jumping. I like what it does to the game. Alright, well. Yep, anything else I need to do real quick? I don't know. Noodle legs mode, you fall more than one block, oh, fall damage mode? That'd be funny. Take fall damage and die mode? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. That could work. How would you prevent fall damage? That is the question. Double the height and size. Add advanced movement. I kind of wanted to add wave dashing. I think in the original versions of this game there was wave dashing. There was gonna be wave dashing, and I never got to it. The game was pretty... It's pretty clear that's not what the game needed, but I kind of want to add back wave dashing. Maybe character who has an air dash instead of the, what's it called? The wall jump? That'd be cool. Wave dashing like in Celeste? Oh, like in Celeste? Like in Celeste? No. Wave dashing. Well, I move left for the screen teleports you to the other side. I do like that mechanic. I was always fond of that mechanic. Even though I don't really play games with it. I was always fond of that mechanic, man. It always makes me happy. Playtest in Discord? Mode, you only move left. Anything else I need to program real quick? Not really. I think the game is close to done. Oh, I guess I have pausing still on P. Gotta move that. Then what? Game modes? Probably work on a new game mode next. I think if I were to commit to anything, it probably should be a game mode. I don't think I should commit to more. I guess I do want the K-Love block too. Get hit by a falling block, you die. Damage mode. Where you take damage. With Axel. Oh, make sure the base. Yeah, I still haven't added the difficulty because like that's the thing stopping me from playtesting is the difficulty thing doesn't work. I don't have that yet. I would need a way to have the difficulty be dynamic. Because if I did another playtest, I think all that would happen is people would be like, the game's too hard, and they'd be right, and I'd be sad because the game's too hard, and they'd be right. Then make it. I'm going to. But eep. I need to. I'm tired, kind of eepy. I'll do it right now. How's it gonna work exactly? What variables do I need to control? First off, I need to control... how's it gonna work? So first, it's a level system. And then after you get to like level 10, I think I'll just swap to the current system where it's like sudden death. Spawn timer gradually increases over time. I think that's good enough, I think. Each time you reach a new level, you get a Kayla block, and she clears a lot of blocks. Makes the game simpler. That's it. Wait, am I committing to the bomb thing? I don't remember. If you don't blow up block within 5 seconds. The problem is that the bomb blocks are tied to the spawns. You die. Am I allowed to say die? Does YouTube like that? I don't know anymore. I don't think I can. I think I get punished for saying that. Whoops. I know I had the biggest stream I ever had. I had like 100-something viewers. I said bussy, and then YouTube instantly stopped giving me viewers, and my viewers slowly plummeted down to like 50. No, it was worse. It was like 20. Just because I said the word bussy. Oh my god. It was so fast too. Like, I said the word, I look over, and I just see the viewers slowly decrease. Yeah, I think they know the audience is young, so they really punish you for swearing. I don't care now, because I only have 10 viewers, it's fine. But yeah, if I ever have good viewers, I think I'm just gonna shut up. I think I'm actually just gonna not talk, because if I talk, I'll accidentally say bussy again. Oh my, the worst part, I was reading someone's comment. Someone else commented bussy. I read it out and I ended up saying it. Oh my god, that stupid guy. That stupid guy griefed my stream so hard by saying bussy, and then I couldn't resist reading it. I couldn't resist reading the word bussy when it gets in my chat. God damn it. That's okay. I know live is TikTok propaganda. Bussy like Burger Bing butt bettis. Always fun. Yeah, I'm so brain rotted. Burger Bing butt bettis? I love that meme. Out of all the like... No, that meme is old. It's not even new. That meme makes me so happy. It's such a good meme. That one was good. Damn, I think I have very fond memories of that meme. Very fond memories. Did I make a middle finger? Oops. Burger Bing butt bettis. But the best thing you want in your Burger Bing burger is the someone's butt bungus. But as it burns out, ba ba be ba boo ba. Can't do it right. I need to practice it more. I have practiced it unironically. But as it burns out, ba ba boo ba boo ba. Alright, what am I doing? I don't know. Oh yeah, difficulty! Yeah. Can't we just throw blocks of score? You love chills? I think I was so happy when he got into Smiling Friends and he got to say the thing. That made me so happy, dude. That made me so happy. Okay, what am I doing? Yeah. Impossible. I'm working on it. Give me a sec. Okay, so how's it work? I'm just gonna make a thing called level. Okay, level equals 0. You start at level 0. Every time your score goes up by... Why am I in the player? Whoopsies. Bumper 15. I want bumper 15. Level equals 0. Do I already have level? No, I don't. That's nice. I'm in the player again. I didn't move. Please. Do not have level. That's good. Okay. Let's just put it down here. Level equals 0. Step event. Make layer. Make layer. row, is that row? Yeah, it's row. So if level is greater than 9, yeah, do that. Otherwise, you know what? I'm gonna do it like make row. Let's put all this in make row actually. No, I can't. It's gotta be here. It's fine, I'll just put it here. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, else? Call it possible. It's just the same as normal mode, but everything gets translated through Google's Translate. Okay. If high score, no score. Oh, don't tell me. What is it called? What's it called? Draw score. It's score variable, of course, because GameMaker has a built-in score variable which no one uses. Score var. If score var is equal to 1, do this. Ultimate plays game streak mode. You have to get every bomb to hit, and if a bomb misses, you lose. Ooh, that's interesting. Fall apart when thrown. Yeah, some kind of like Earth mode, like in League, where everything is just faster. That'd be interesting. That'd be real interesting, I think. Okay, yeah, so level 9, you do this. Otherwise, if level ish, if score var is greater than, let's say, 200, we'll do increments of else if. Someone's gonna be like, else if you should use a switch statement. Switch statements are only more efficient if you do it like, if you have like 10 or more cases. Otherwise it's the same. Level equals, it's 1. And then next, level equals 2. And then this one should be like 500, I think? Yeah, let's do that for now. Next one goes up by 300. Let's do 90. No, I want it simple. Yeah, let's get it simple. So let's do increments of 2.5. I need it to be simple. 3, 4, and then you go to 1,000. And then next one is 5. Game about dialogue. Okay. To be fair, in his defense, like, the correct solution is only like 30% better than his solution, like Toby Fox's solution, you know what I mean? It's like, it's not perfect, but like, it's not that bad. It's just not good, but it's not that bad. Because like, no matter what, your game is gonna need a system that's just thing that holds all the dialogue. So I feel like giant switch statement is only like, it's bad, but it's not that bad. It's like, it's an okay solution. Cause like, let's be real here. Everyone runs Undertale at a couple thousand FPS. Like the performance doesn't matter. Okay, yeah, maybe it shouldn't hold every dialogue. Like maybe it shouldn't hold all the dialogue. You can put text where it needs to be, but you get what I mean though, right? Like, the correct solution isn't that different from that solution. I think the correct one would be like, you hold it in JSON files or text files that are also in the game, and you probably break it up into like 10 or so text files. But it's not that bad. Yeah, maybe per room or something, I don't know. But like, if it works for him, because like at this point we're not really talking about efficiency, we're just talking about like organization. And like, or efficiency wise, like we're running this game at like 5,000 FPS, it'll be fine. Even on a potato, it's gonna run at a couple hundred FPS. If the game lags, it's not the switch statement, so it'll be fine. 6. No, don't run the game. 7, and then you go up to like 3K. And you go 4, 8. You should make turn it past to 11 level and difficulty scale infinitely. Starts at level 10. You can't hold a block for more than 1 second. You should make a challenge mode called roadblock. But movable? Oh my god. That'd be interesting. I'd be down for that. I'd be interested in looking into that. Okay, let's slow this down actually. So at 2, it should go to 2.5. And it should go to 3. And then it should go to 4, 3.5. And then keep going. And so it goes to level 18, 9, 5, 72, down, it goes there, it goes all the way up until 4. I'm okay with the system? It's probably fine. 10 will be 45, and then 11 will be 5k, and then if you're greater than level 11, you'll be on level 12. No, 11. Lucky you lose. Ooh. Okay, give me a sec. Now I just have to set the row max to be correct. So row max starts at, what does it start at? Create. Row max starts at 620. Yes. Row max starts at 620. So level 1 should probably be like 6. No. 610. And then it should be 6. Just go by 10 for now. No. Well, I bet it makes 11 cases. Shut up. Makes 11. Okay, in my defense, I didn't know there'd be 11. Dude, this game runs at 5k FPS. Who cares? It's fine. It's fine. It does scale exponentially because it's scaling linearly, which is exponential in time. It's weird. It's complicated. Row max should not go down by 10 because then it's actually. Should I just do that anyways? Wait, what'd it be? It'd be 10, 6, 5, 9, 5, 8, 5, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh no, this scales way too fast. Yeah, okay, let's do 5 actually. So it should be 15, and then it'd be 10, and then it'd be like. I mean, I'm gonna manually adjust these to be the correct amount. I don't know what that is, but we'll figure that out as I playtest. Because there's no other way to really do it. 5, 9, 5. Hopefully this makes the game easier. No. It should just be slower in general. Yeah. So I go up here, and it should probably go up to like. Let's go up to like 640, 650, and then I go to step, and score amounts should be lower across the board. Yes, it should be lower across the board. So it should end at like the level system. No, let's leave it alone. Let's leave it alone. So now that's 650. It should go by 40, 45, and it'll scale exponentially, but that's okay because I wanted to do that anyways. 35, 30, 2, 6, 25, 620. Because it wanted to scale 15. Now it's 610. Now it's 605. Now it's just 6. Now it's 5. Now it's 595. Now it's 590. And once you're at here, you go from this, and you go to there, and the scale's way faster now. So most runs should end around 5k. And if you get 5k, you win. Good job. I'm happy for you. Now what? Collapsing world. Block seal. This block is destroyed. That's interesting. What am I doing? What am I doing? I don't know. I should playtest this. 5k is a lot. This game might be too slow now. Yeah, let's pair that with a new scoring system. So if you make big breaks, you'll gain score faster. That'd be nice. Yeah, okay. In addition, in the draw, you need to draw a level instead. Draw text if level is greater than 11. Do that. No. Yeah, okay. And draw should be greater than or equal to 11. Otherwise, just draw the level. Okay, this game should be a lot easier now. Equals string level. There we go. Let's play test. Spitballing ideas? No worries, no worries. I like ideas. Oh my god, I have to make water in soup mode? That'd be funny. I do like making water systems. Let's see if this works. I mean, this game is gonna be way easier now. But so long, I think I'm gonna ramp it up so that big breaks give you even more score relative to normal size breaks, I think. Because right now there is a multiplier, but let's make the more of the score tied to the multiplier and less of the score tied to surviving. There is like this weird dark pattern. Oh, should I call it a dark pattern? It's just the thing you do in the game where you should throw away some of the initial bombs to scale your score. I'm gonna have to test. I'm gonna limit test that after this because I only have 2 purples, right? So this bomb can only give me so many points. So in that spot, I should probably get rid of the bomb and then just try to get more purples so that way I can scale exponentially. Do I like that? I kind of don't. I kind of don't like that. But that's just how the game works right now. Should it be tied to score? Maybe it should be tied to like a new variable. Your level. What should your level be tied to? If my big A blocks spawn out at 32. That'd be interesting. What the heck? That's what holding adds? Yeah, you could hold. But I'm still committed to removing holding. I don't like what that does to the game. Which sucks, because I do think it's cool to hold blocks. I don't think the system works now I think about it. I don't think the system works. I mean, it seems okay. It's definitely working and making the game easier. This is so much easier. This game is so much easier right now. Top blocks where you have to insta-slam. I guess we could do a combo system. There's a way of fixing this with like one system. There's a way of fixing this. Just not sure what it looks like exactly. It's a thing. Not sure about that. You guys see the problem though, right? Where? Playtest today? Probably tomorrow. I just want one more day to sit on this. Because if there's any obvious problems with the game, I want to figure that out now rather than later. Oh god, I remember last time I played this game, there was so many, we had a discussion about how a combo system would work. Alternate scoring system would work. It's really interesting. One of the ones that stuck in my head was fast grabs on the block. If you grab the block fast, you get rewarded for that. If you keep doing that in a row. Yeah, that one was interesting. I think, okay, yeah, so right now, scoring is entirely scaled off of big breaks. And that's fine, except, because it's intuitive, except there's one dark pattern where you're encouraged not to break blocks to let them scale up. Is that okay? I mean, that's what you do in Tetris, right? Because in Tetris, you technically do the same thing with, oh, I don't like this. I don't like this. You technically do the same thing with the what's it, line blocks, right? So the game should have a system like that, no matter what. System of a down. That's what holding is. What hot blocks, you know. Bombs won't blow up any less than 5. I low-key am considering that as like a base feature. Low-key, but the game's too hard already. Don't want to make it harder. What's the idea again? Okay, but I am making the assumption that it is problematic to hold bomb. But is it even? Maybe it's not. That could be a thing. Maybe it's fine. I have to consider that as well. Like, maybe it's just not a big deal. Maybe it's fun. I don't know if it's fun though, is the issue. Don't know if it's fun though. Have to check. Checking takes a while though. Everything takes a while at this point. Ugh, game design. Ish. Whoopsies, but am I even mad? Because like I get a new one in 4 blocks. And like I kinda want my greens to get bigger. So I feel like dropping is good for you. Yeah, dropping is definitely better than not dropping. Like, you commit to a few colors and you just make those as big as you can. High key, keep this as a feature. So this is what high level play looks like, is you greed. Yeah. You know what? I'm down. I'm kind of down. Let's leave this alone. I am biased because this solution requires me to do nothing. So it's the best solution, obviously. Fun to watch right now. Try juggling blocks, that could be funny. You can juggle blocks, it's pretty easy. It's pretty easy, you just go like bum 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 bum. You know what? I'm committed, I'm committed. I think throwing away bombs should be encouraged. So no matter what, there should be no combo system where you're rewarded for making multiple breaks in a row, because I think that system would go against that design. Yeah. So instead of big breaks being maybe problematic, we lean into it, and big breaks is the point. Oh, game design is so interesting, because like I'm in a spot where I have a design, right? And I could have interpreted as either a good thing or a bad thing, and both are valid. Like, both interpretations could have worked. But I think it's so interesting being forced to make that call and being forced to like figure it out. Like, oh, I love game design. I love designing games because of that. It's so hard in a good way. So engaging. Gonna be my retirement home making games. Both interpretations were correct. Both could have worked. Good night, Bridge. You're going to bed? Juggling? No, you could juggle. You could always juggle. It's just hard. I mean, it's not hard, but it's like it's big inputs. Someone wanted me to juggle, so I did. Yeah, I think greeting for big. Okay, so this game is way easier now. Is it? Oh god. I mean, maybe I should play. I'm committed to this mode. I'll play it one more time. Do I need to though? Everything's slower now. shoot, including jump. So last, you know what? I pressed space by accident. I accidentally restarted. No. Need a distraction from slashed? Yeah, I could do a playtest soon. Just, I don't know. I feel uncomfortable because I made so many big changes, and I don't want to. I'm gonna make one more call. No, am I? Well, how's it work? Okay, you know what? You know what it is? I think it's create, row max, row timer, row max. That's correct. It's pow max. Yeah, pow max is 500, right? And blocks always fall at maximum speed. Oh my god, you have to react to them. Pow max is 500. If you make a break of 10 or more, set pow max to a smaller number, maybe? So then late game will be about managing your pow max. I don't know. Maybe it's fine. I did a lot today. I am drowsy currently. Maybe I should drink some tea. I've been on a tea kick recently. But here, right? So before, what would I do? I would decide I'm getting a red. I think the correct play is to take the bomb and throw it away, because I think the bomb griefs you because it ruins your combo by making it smaller. I'm gonna throw away the purple as well. Not like that. But you always greed one color, and then you clear the rest of them, I think. So I'm gonna greed red one more time. Oh my god, I'm so bad. Right now. Color def node. So I throw away this red, and now I just play to get more reds in the stack. So I think that is the correct way to play the game. And I think I'm okay with that. I think it's interesting. I think it's really interesting. I'm gonna experiment with that for a bit. Because there's some merit to this design. I do like... Where'd my thing go? Oh my god, that scared me. I do like how greedy it is. I like that feeling. So now I get an even bigger break and I get more score, which lets me to get to high levels faster. Aha! Why am I level 0? Why am I level 0? Is that correct? No, it is correct. No, it's fine. So now I greed the purples by not breaking it. I'm gonna experiment with doing that for a bit. I want to see if that's optimal. I think it is. Pretty confident it is. Oh my god. Minus your vision is limited to 3 blocks. Oh my god, like one of those light effects. Dude, where's my block? The block can just spawn too high. I really don't like that. You make the block spawn lower. Now I have a bigger purple break. It gives me more points. I kind of like that. Is there a reward for getting to high levels faster? Not really. It's just like the intrinsic benefit. That's the issue with tying it to score. But if the difficulty was tied to time, maybe it should be tied to time. Ooh, maybe it should be tied to time. But then you don't have agency over it. It can go either way. They both work, but you have to figure out which one's better. It's so hard, huh? Which one is better? It was always lagging and stuttering. Oh my god. I don't think I could have that mode. Yeah, but if it's tied to time, then you're actually rewarded for doing weird strategies like that. Should it be both? So it's tied to time and score? Maybe. That's interesting. That could solve both problems. Because now, would it solve both problems? I don't know. Let me theorize. So if it was tied to score, then I feel like time would be better. Can at least see the challenge. Yeah. Time is intuitive, but I do like the idea of having agency. So my problem is, let's say I'm good at this game, and I play it for a long time. I want it to get harder faster. Should it even get harder? Dude, I'm looking at Sand Tetris. Sand Tetris doesn't get harder over time. It just stays the same difficulty. I envy that. I envy that so much. Like, just don't. Just don't. You don't have to. Just don't. Honestly, the more I think about it, maybe that's the play. Maybe that's the woke play. You just don't change the difficulty. If people complain it's too hard, whatever. They're bad. Skill issue. It's kind of based. It's kind of based. Just don't deal with the people saying the game is too hard. That is another valid solution to consider. My game's super hard and people say the game is... Oh, I've hit it, no. Deal with it. Scaling, deal with it, yeah. No, the game needs to start easy. I like the scaling, I like the scaling. The issue is the scaling's a bit much. But then it becomes like pure endurance game, because I do think that without the difficulty scaling, I actually can just play forever. Okay, let's say it was just time. Let's say difficulty was just tied to time. Then eventually you would reach the point where the difficulty is too high and it outpaces your skill. That's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Need the game to be dynamic. Yeah, that's okay, I think. Whereas if it's tied to score, then it normalizes the score of every player. So I don't think it should be tied to score at all. It should be tied to time. That's what I had before. Am I okay with that? I'm probably okay with that. Oh, God. I mean, okay, so I'm worried about it normalizing the score. The more I think about it, doesn't every feature technically do that? Like, wouldn't every attempt to change the difficulty in the game normalize the score to some extent? Yeah, so does it even matter? I think it's fine. Like, whatever, man. Give me a blue, please. Blue, please. Thank you. Slam it here. Get rid of it. I'm gonna play for high score. So maybe it should be tied to time instead of score. Yeah, playing the game normalizes the score. So regardless of which solution I pick, it's gonna normalize the score anyways. So maybe I shouldn't care. I shouldn't care that it does that. Because they all do that, and I'm stupid. Duh. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Nice. So you definitely want to greed one of the colors though. Okay, you know what? This works. This works. This works. I like this. I like this. So the optimal playstyle would be greeting one of the colors to get a really big break. Yeah. Is this enough greeting? I gotta do more. I think it's enough. Whew. That's a big score. Why am I level 1? Why am I level 1? Why am I level 1? Why am I Bro is talking to himself. I got viewers in chat. The first. Oh my god, that's crazy. What the heck? Yeah, playing the game. And people say the game is too hard. I think you get replaced. Of course, dude. I'm making the game. I'm gonna talk about the game. What do you mean, bro? What do you mean, bro? What do you mean, bro? I've gotten that sentiment a lot, and I have a theory for like. Nah, it's okay. It's okay. Just thinking about it. So wait, what did I like about normalized score anyways? I don't remember. Oh, yeah, because you were encouraged to get to high scores faster so you can play harder difficulties. That doesn't make sense when I think about it. Because it's not optimal, you're just doing it because it's more fun, which I don't like. I want the optimal playstyle to be the fun playstyle. I always want it to be like that. Always kills you many times as possible. Oh, so you just make one giant break and you like juggle a bomb for as long as possible? That's kind of funny. I'm kind of down for that. I'm kind of down for that mode. You get one bomb, you just have to make the biggest break possible. But wouldn't people reset until they get, because the what's in the line is random. So you can get a line that's just one color. So wouldn't the optimal playstyle to be reset until the game only spawns one color for every row? That's funny. Okay, yeah, I think it shouldn't be based off score anymore. While there is merit to that, I think it causes some issues. Now I think about it more. Time to confuse people. Gamboje, man. I know you. Gamboje. I knew you were gonna say that. I knew you were gonna say that, man. You're the Gamboje man from the Gamboje clan. This game has tech, by the way. This game has like really cool tech. Wait, you guys notice that? You guys notice that? I don't want to be mean. The game is too hard. But you guys see this, right? I can do a diagonal down throw to the left, but not the right. You seen this? Oh my god. Because there's a tech where if you use the leniency, you can skip the knockback of a diagonal down throw, right? So you can do that. So if I throw it sideways, I can never land on it. But if I do a tech down throw, you can land on the block you through while going sideways at full speed. Like that. You can't do this to the right. I wonder why. I know why, because that's where 0 is, and I can't change the angles. I have to fix that. When a block is thrown... Yeah, I know what's happening. I know what's happening. I know what's happening. So I have to go to the block. Pre-held timer. No. Where is it? did destroy. Where can you play your game? Go to the Discord. I'll do a playtest soon-ish. I don't know when. I'll do it eventually. Don't worry. Ah! Diagonal leniency? Yeah, I need that. I need diagonal leniency and step. Where are you? If angle equals 0 and if base ang equals 0 and angle equals exactly, what's it called? 0, but it's 360, so it goes around, and it's 270 plus 45, 270 plus 45, which is 315. So, and the angle equals 315 exactly. Then also do the leniency. And this should let me do the leniency going to the right on top of left. This is a cursed bug. There we go, fixed it. Screen starts at fully after 60 seconds. I should probably just have difficulty sliders. Or difficulty settings. So I think it'll be like easy mode is normal. Everyone has to play that at first. If you get a score of like 3K, you can go up to medium. And then higher difficulties will have higher score multipliers. What the fuck? What was that? And then I think that should address the difficulty issue close enoughly. I don't know if it'd be perfect. I like that tech a lot. You can throw a block and step on it if you do a diagonal, do a leniency diagonal down throw at full speed. It feels good. Like that. Do that maybe? Ooh. Feels good. What's dynamite? I'm checking. The heck is dynamite? What the heck is... Who's this guy? Dynamite? PopCap Games. Dude, I don't know if I'm making this. This art style is fire though. I love the jank 3D. The pre-rendered 3D. That makes me happy. Is this what? This is not, bro, this is not what I'm making. Oh, but there's bombs in there. Maybe it is what I'm making. This is whirly. Turn gray when destroyed if a 20 block spawns has a gray bomb that can clear only one destroyed block. Maybe. Okay. Well, I think I am tired and eepy. I will probably end stream here. Thank you guys for showing up. Thank you for the... Thank you for the ideas. I appreciate that a lot. But I want to eat something. I am hungry and tired and eepy. Yeah, anyways. Gambling next time? I'll try. Later, guys.